In this video, I'm going to show you how to add IMAP account to Outlook. Now to do this, you want to open Outlook, and then over here you want to go to Mail top left, and then you want to click on Add Account. If you're doing this for the first time, you'll simply see this page over here, and the first time you have to do, you want to type in your email of your IMAP account you actually want to add. So in my case, it's going to be from mailbox.org, so I'm going to just use the email I have there. I'm going to use instant how-to at mailbox.com, okay, just like that. And then I'm simply going to click on the continue button over here, and as you can see, it's going to start adding your account, it's going to start loading, and it's going to ask you for a password. Now here it's going to notice that it's IMAP over here. If for some reason it doesn't, you want to click on select provider, you want to scroll down and click on IMAP. From here you can then go and type in your password. So in my case, I'm just going to type in the password I use for that specific account, and then here you want to click on show more, and of course you want to go and type in the IMAP incoming server, the port, and then the SMTP configuration over here, and the outgoing servers as well as the ports. Now you can find this super simply for your specific email you want to set up with IMAP the following way. You simply want to go to Google and you want to type in your, of course, provider. In my case it's mailbox.org, and then type in IMAP next to it, and you'll find like even this summary from Gemini here on Google. It's going to show you exactly all the things you need, or you can go just to their official website of your account provider and you'll be able to find all of these things in here. So look for IMAP. You have, as you can see, the server over here is IMAP. You have the port, you have the protocol here in the port as well, and that's really all you need to actually fill these things over here. Super simple. And then here for the password, usually it's just going to be the same password you use for your email, but if you have 2FA enabled, then you may have to use an app password, which you can also know how to get by simply typing it into Google, and it's going to tell you exactly how to do it for your specific provider. Now once you've done this, you simply have to click on the continue button over here and then continue again, and it's going to add your account just like this, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.